We continue with exercise 40 to solve by completing the square. Question number 7. Here the coefficient of x square is root 3. So first we have to divide each term by root 3. So root 3 we can cancel. 10 by root 3 we cannot let it be. Root 3 left is 7. So 7 is a constant term. We can take it that side. Plus take this side become minus. So let us try to get the proper formula this side. So here our a is x. In the middle we should get 2ab. So 2 into a, then b we have to make up from here. 2 into what will be 10? 2 into 5. So root 3, let it remain root 3. So a here is x, b mean root 5, b mean 5 by root 3. So we have to complete the formula here, plus b square. We add it here. So this one, remember, we get it from here only, okay? So if we add it this side, we also have to add the right hand side. Now this is a complete formula. So we can combine it only to a small part one. That means a, since here plus, it will become a plus b whole square. Then here we can do 5 into 5, 25. Root 3 into root 3, 3. We find LCM 1 and 3. LCM 3. 1 divide 3, 3. 3 into 7, 21. 3 divide 3, 1. 1 into 25, 25. 25 minus 21 will be 4. So we get square root 4 by 3. To remove square, we put square root 4. And when we have square root, we put 1 plus 1 minus, because we need 2 value for x. 4 we can take out as 2. 3 we cannot take out, let it remain. Here you see both are same. We can take the denominator same. Then now this is plus, this side become minus. We spread 1 for plus, 1 for minus. So minus 5 plus 2 will be minus 3 by root 3. Then minus 5 minus 2 will be minus 7 by root 3. So those two are the values of x. Then next we'll see question number 8. Here you see x square is alone. So 1 no need to divide. We can only separate the constant. These two have no x, so they are constant term. We transfer them the other side. This is minus. Bring this side become plus. This is plus. Bring this side become minus. So here we can get like that. Then now here we have to get the formula a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is x here minus 2ab. So 2 into a into b. B will get it from here only. We all take x as a. So 2 into what will be 4? 2 into 2. Then we are left with a. So this is b. Okay, that means this is b. So we add plus b square here. The other side also we add the same. Then now this is a formula a minus b whole square. We write it in the short form. Then b square, here we will have b square minus 4a square, then plus 2 into 2 4a. So minus 4a plus minus 4a square, 1 plus 1 minus. These two we can cancel. We are left with b. So to remove square root, we can we can put square root this side. We have b square, so it will come out only as b. We need 2 value for x and y, so we take 1 plus 1 minus. This is minus, take this side become plus. So here we have alphabet A, here B. We cannot plus, we cannot minus. That is the answer. Quickly, I just want to redo this. Question number 5. Question number 4. Okay. Here we have the coefficient of x is 2. So divide each part by 2. So 2 divide 2, 1. We have x square. Here we cannot divide, let it be. 4 divide by 2, we get 2. Plus, we take the other side, become minus. Now we try to get the formula. So we have a square plus 2 should come from formula. 2 into what will be 1, we don't know. So when we cannot multiply up, we have to multiply down. Okay. So 2 into 2, we have to multiply down. If it up, we have to break. If it is down, we have to multiply. So that here I will put 2 into 2, 4. So because 4 down, 2 up, you see. So if I cancel 2 and 4, I will get back 2. Okay. 2 into what will be 2? We don't have. So that is why we multiply it down. So that means our A here is X. Then our B is 1 by 4. So we have produced B square. So if produce this side, we also produce it this side. Then now this side is a formula. It will become A plus B whole square. Our B is 1 by 4. Then here minus 2. Then 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 4, 16. So here it is minus 2 by 1, not 4. Okay. Here it is minus 2 by 1. So 1 by 16 formula becomes 16. Then 1 divided 16, 16. 16 into minus 2. It is minus 32. Then 16 divided 16, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So minus 32 plus 1, we get minus 31. So in order to remove the square, we have to put square root. So now here clearly we see in under the root there is minus. So when we have such kind, we say that they have no real values, okay, or no real zeros, because whenever we get minus under radical sign, that is imaginary number which we will solve in your higher classes, not in class 10. So clearly we can write this one has no real roots. So why it have no real roots? Because there is minus sign inside radical sign. So from the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, we can get another formula of the form this one, okay? Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula, we call it as Sridharacharya rules, or we call it as quadratic formula. It was calculated by an Indian only, Sridharacharya. So if we cannot solve the equation by split middle term, then we can easily find out the value of x for quadratic equation using this formula. Then in this formula, we do have d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. We call it as discriminant. So if the discriminant is greater than 0, then the root will be real. If discriminant is equal to 0, that case also the root will be real. But in case if it is less than 0, we get with minus sign, okay? Then that one we say no real root, like what happened in that question number 4. We see that we get minus sign under the root. So in that case, it has no real root. So you can see this quadratic formula, it was derived by the ancient Indian mathematician Sridharacharya, I think. So using those formula, we will solve the next exercise, that is 4e. Here we have to determine the discriminant. So first you need to find the coefficient. You need to compare with the standard quadratic formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c. After you compare with that, then you apply the formula d equal b square minus 4ac. A here, coefficient of x square. B is a constant term. B present with x, then c is a constant term. Like here, number 1. There is no number, so a equal 1. B also 1. C equal to minus 2. So you replace it in this formula, then try to see how much you get. So we know the formula is d equal b square minus 4ac. So our b here is 1. 4, let it remain from formula. Then you have a equal 1. C equal minus 2. So minus to minus plus 4 into 2a, 8 plus 1, 9. So discriminant equal 9. Then in number 2 also, the coefficient here is 1. A is 1. Here also B1, C1. So you replace that way only. 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 1 into 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So here 4 is greater. Then come minus sign. Here also you have A is 3. When you have minus, you have to take along with the number. So B equal minus 2. C equal 8. Replace in the formula. Minus 2 whole square. Minus to minus become plus, because square mean for the sign as well as for number. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 8, 96. Here 96 is greater. Discriminant become minus 92. Then here the coefficient of x square is root 3. So A is root 3. Then B is 2 root 2. C is minus 2 root 3. So the same way you can replace in the formula for discriminant. Okay. So here we have 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 into 2, 4. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 4 into 2, 8. Minus to minus plus. 4 into 2, 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 8 we have 32. Then here also we have A, it is equal to 1. B equal to minus 2. C equal K. Then D equal B square minus 4AC. Then here we have B square equal minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into K. Minus to minus plus. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4K. Here there is K, here there is no K. So we cannot plus, we cannot minus. We leave that as the answer. Then here first you have to arrange, okay. Number 6 you have to arrange in a proper way. Here you have plus, take this side become minus. Here plus, take this side become minus, equal to 0. Then the coefficient of x square here is 1. So A equal 1. Then B, you have to take this one with minus sign. Then C, you have to take minus C only. Then here you have D, minus 4 whole square. Minus to minus plus. 4 into 4, 16. Then minus to minus plus. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into C. Here you have alphabet and number. Here you have only number. We cannot plus, we cannot minus. That will be the answer.